Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this juicy burger. So I seasoned the minced meat with salt, pepper and chili flake. I mix it together to form a dough. I then shaped the burgers to the right size that I wanted. I'm using a grill pan. I added oil to the pan and I placed the burgers in the pan. Whilst that was cooking, I chopped some onions and added it to the mix. I'm going to make sure to make everything in the pan at the same time. So I allowed that to cook for about 10 minutes before moving the onions to the side and adding bacon to it. So whilst the bacon is cooking, the fat juice is also giving the burger a bit of flavor. I'm using brioche burger bun. Just as the burger was done, I added the brioche burger to it to heat up to get some of the flavor in it. If you want the cheese to melt, this is how you should do it. I added the cheese on top of the burger 5 minutes before I removed it. And that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.